Welcome back to Two Friends Diet. I'm Robin, and today's video is going to be my second Stitch Fix box opening. And remember, hit that like button and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications. And if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it basically is just a service where they'll do some shopping for you. You fill out all this information about your size and what you like, and they try to find clothes for you. So it's fun. I love to get these. Again, this is my second Stitch Fix. There's a styling fee of $20, and then you can return whatever you want for free, or whatever you don't want for free. Ooh, looks interesting. Looks like a sweater maybe. It also comes with a letter that tells you everything that's in the box and the cost. I kind of like to look at the clothes first and then check out the cost, just because it's kind of like more Christmassy that way. First thing we have, this is pretty. It's an Ava James 3X. Nice blouse, long sleeve. It looks like it's either black or dark blue, but I think that's black. And it's got flowers, beige and green. Pretty, I like it. Ooh, next thing we have is this burgundy top. Cute sleeves. And this is by Paper Moon. And it's 3X as well. I don't have much burgundy, so that's really nice. It looks like we have a tan sweater. Ooh, it's a cardigan. It's heavy. It's nice, and it's nice for today. It's like 12 degrees here in Illinois today, so this is really nice. I may be putting this on to wear in my office today. Mongolian Grace, and it's a very heavy cardigan. It's beautiful. It would look good over that black shirt, the black with the beige flowers on it. That would be cute. And then looks like we have a pair of jeans, which I have a hard time with jeans because I'm short, but it looks like they might be boyfriend jeans because they're cuffed at the bottom, so that means they'll fit me like regular jeans with a cuff. The joys of being short. They're cute. They're Liverpool, and they're a 22W slim boyfriend jeans. And it looks like we have jewelry in the box today, so let's see what we got. Kind of cute. Looks like a silver necklace. Looks like little silver leaves. It's cute. I'm not really a jewelry person, so yeah, most of the time if I buy jewelry, it's wasted. I just leave it in a box and I never wear it, so I don't know, this is kind of cute. I'll try everything on, and then we'll see we'll come back and we'll see what I like. I do apologize, the camera shifted after I set it up, so my head's cut off. As you can see, the jeans are too long on me. I do love this cardigan so much. This shirt, it fit nice, it was comfortable, but I would have liked it to have been longer in the front, but it was cute. I love the burgundy color. The only thing I didn't like about this top were the sleeves were too long. They had the peasant sleeves, which were cute, but too long for my short arms. So the cost for the items in the Stitch Fix box today: the Bay to Baubles Brandy Leaf necklace is $34. The Liverpool boyfriend jeans are $78. The Magnolia Grace cardigan, which I have on, is $78. The Ava James Corona V-neck blouse, the black or navy blouse, is $54. And the burgundy Paper Moon Amelia ruffle sleeve top is $38. So that's a total of my package of $282. If I choose everything, you get 25% off, which is So that would be minus $70.50. And then minus my styling fee, which was $20. So it would be $191.50 for the entire box. So not horrible, because if you go out, you would spend this much if you're shopping. So it's not horrible. But there are several things in here I don't know if I would spend that much money for. The navy top for $54, the necklace for $34. What do you think I should keep? I'm definitely keeping this cardigan because girl fell in love with it. So just let me know what you think.